Quality.
It just makes life so much easier, really.
No matter what.
So my name is Richard Hallam. I'm the Managing Director of Nomad Trailers, and we're based here in Louth, Lincolnshire. And we manufacture small adventure trailers, teardrop trailers, and now the new Pathfinder trailer. Okay, so we started making the first trailer a couple of years ago, a bit more actually, 2.5 years ago. It was a teardrop trailer, and we were quite happy with it. It was an idea I'd seen in the US, and I hadn't seen anything over here, and I thought it might be quite a nice idea to try and put something together and see how far we could get with it. So we've made perhaps a dozen of the teardrop trailers, but it's always been a thing that I wanted to do, to make a smaller, more compact family trailer, and it's in the Pathfinder that we see that come about. We've taken many of the things that we've learned from building the more technically demanding build of the teardrop trailer and incorporated that into the Pathfinder. Okay, so the Pathfinder trailer is something we've designed and built, and we spent a lot of time looking at the design of it, what we wanted to incorporate, what we wanted to take from the teardrop trailer and include in the Pathfinder. And many of those things are transferred very easily across. So many of the design details, like the chassis, the tyres and the mudguards, are all pretty much taken over from the teardrop trailer. It's got great ground clearance, and it's, I think, a very attractive vehicle to look at. And it's also ticks a lot of boxes as far as campers are concerned. Anybody that's been used to camping will find in using this trailer, it just makes life so much easier, really. So we've incorporated a galley in it, so it's got a slide out, and one of the things that, there are very few things that we're going to change actually in the conception vehicle to the production vehicle. But one of the things we'll be changing is that the slide out will be more substantial. It'll be full width, so as you pull the slide out, the cooler box will follow it. It will have a drawer section in there as well, but it will also have the hob on top and the bullfinch connection to the gas supply. So it's a very easy thing to be able to use, very easy thing to set up. So it's a trailer suited to anybody with a small family or the lone trekker alike. It just makes life so much easier. It takes literally minutes to set up. It's a case of dropping the legs down at the back. The awning deploys in literally a minute or two at the most, and there's a tent box on top which deploys again in less than 3-4 minutes perhaps.
I'm Jordan Furness. I'm the trailer tech here. I manufacture and build everything, pretty much. Well, there's the old thing of measure twice, cut once, making sure things are how they should be, making sure it goes out how I would want it to go out, how I'd want it, you know, if I bought it.
So one of the small things we will be changing in the production model is a step on the mudguard, and also a slide out. The slide out will be more beefed up on the production model. It will have a drawer system in there. It will be full width, so when you pull out that slide out, the cooler box follows it. So as with the teardrop trailer, both of these trailers are very big in the US. If you go to the US, you see these on many, many campsites, but nothing much over here, which is a bit strange really, because anybody that's traveled down the motorway will have seen a car with a small family in perhaps, with a rooftop tent on top, pulling a trailer with all the galley stuff in, the food and the sleeping bags and all the rest of it. This simply turns it on its head, so you have the rooftop tent on the trailer. So when you reach your camping pitch, you simply set your trailer up, and that leaves the car free for excursions and shopping and the like. Okay, so general specs on the trailer. It weighs in at about 450 kilograms with the awning and the tent. Dry weight. It is a length of 350 centimeters by 174 centimeters tall. Add a bit more, 210 centimeters if you've got the rooftop tent on as well. It's got a custom designed chassis that we have made to our spec, and we hand build here in-house. So it's constructed out of phenolic ply and closed cell foam, so it's incredibly durable. So you should have many, many years of maintenance-free use out of it.
I take a lot of pride in that we are a British company. We're based in Lincolnshire. You know, everything's being outsourced from foreign countries, and everything's built in-house here.